कहते हैं दिल्ली दिल वालों का शहर है। यहाँ की हर गली का अपना एक अंदाज है, अपना एक स्वाद है और अपना एक ख़ास रंग भी है। देश की राजधानी होने के नाते दिल्ली में भारत के कोने कोने से लोग आकर बसे हुए हैं। इसी कारण दिल्ली दर्शाता है भारत के विविध संस्कृति को और यहाँ के मॉन्यूमेंट्स भारत के विशाल इतिहास को बयां करते हैं। तो चलिए चलते हैं दिल्ली की सैर पर।
So how many times you have explored your own city as a tourist? Today I am going to explore my own city and I will board on metro. Let's see how many places I can cover in one day. So let's go.
दिल्ली में घूमने के लिए बेस्ट ऑप्शन है मेट्रो ट्रेन। कन्वीनियंट होता है, सस्ता होता है, तो मेरा सजेशन यही रहेगा कि आप अपनी दिल्ली की सैर में मेट्रो का ही प्रयोग करें।
Hey guys, I am here at Humayun's tomb. So this tomb was constructed in 1570 और इस टॉम का कंस्ट्रक्शन हुमायूं की बेगम हमीदा बानो ने करवाया था हुमायूं की डेथ के 9 साल के बाद। और हुमायूं की डेथ के 9 साल के बाद उनको यहाँ पे लाया गया, उनको यहाँ पे शिफ्ट किया गया, उनकी टॉम यहाँ पे बनाई गई।
हुमायूं टॉम उनकी वाइफ हमीदा बानो ने कंस्ट्रक्ट करवाया था, वो भी हुमायूं के डेथ के 9 साल के बाद। हुमायूं टॉम में हुमायूं का शरीर 2 अलग अलग स्थानों में दफनाया गया है। In this Humayun tomb, you will find around 150 other tombs which are the tomb of Humayun descendants and entourage, which was gradually filled from 17th to 19th century. Therefore, this place has earned the title of necropolis of the Mughal dynasty.
This building is constructed from red sandstone and the tomb itself is made from yellow marble.
This tomb was built in 1570. This is the first garden tomb on the Indian subcontinent. This place is one of the best preserved Mughal monument. The architecture is strongly influenced by Persian architecture.
This tomb is the inspiration behind the construction of Taj Mahal, which was constructed
A century after the completion of Humayun tomb. The nearest metro station to this most visited monument is Nizamuddin as well as Khan Market. This place is located in the eastern part of Delhi.
Now let's go to Purana Killa. I am here at Purana Killa. Purana Killa is also known as Old Fort. This fort was constructed by Mughal, but Sher Shah Suri, the founder of Suri dynasty, defeated Humayun and made changes to the fort. The nearest metro station to this fort is Pragati Maidan. Let's see how it looks. Humayun Darwaza was built by Humayun and the tomb of Humayun is visible from here. Our next destination is Lodi Garden. Lodi Garden is best known for the ensemble of monuments constructed by Sayyid and Lodi dynasty that ruled from the Delhi Sultanate from the 15th to 16th century. The monuments include the tombs of Muhammad Shah Sayyid, Sikandar Lodi and Sheesh Gumbad. Lodi Garden is the perfect place to spend a relaxing afternoon admiring nature. The place has a lush green lawn. The nearest metro station is Zorbagh. Take an exit at gate number 1 and the place is just 15-minute walking distance. Our next destination is Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is a minaret and victory tower. The Qutub Minar is a 73-meter high tower of victory built in 1193 by Qutbuddin Aibak immediately after a defeat of Delhi's last Hindu kingdom. The tower was built to celebrate Muslim dominance in Delhi. The nearest metro station is Qutub Minar metro station. Now, let me take you to a beautiful virtual tour of Hauz Khas village. Hauz Khas has been well known since medieval times. Hauz Khas village retains the old charm of the place with remnants of Islamic architecture roughly colored by splotches of urban refurbished upmarket. This place is known for its electric nightlife with countless cafes, bars and pubs along with art galleries and boutiques. The area is dotted with domed structures which are tombs of royalties during the 14th to 16th century. Will you believe this place has an infectious energy and you may catch a lot of live events hosted by several cafes here during the weekend. The present status of the village retains the old charm of the place along with an enhanced aesthetic appeal. The tomb of Firoz Shah Tughlaq, a renowned ruler of the Tughlaq dynasty, is at the end of the road. No matter आप दिल्ली वाले हो या नहीं, you will eventually find yourself at the most happening place in the city. Hey guys, it's 8 PM now and we covered 5 places today. Hope you liked my video. If you like it, please share with your friends and family and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Good night.